What are you doing, Puchi? Nothing much. Educational institute might be open within next month. Oh, then you will have to return to hostel soon. Wait, phone ringing. Let me see who it is. Yes, okay. Assalamu alaikum. Who is it?
I am your uncle, Tuchi.
Yes, uncle. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, we are good. We are arriving on today's flight. We will head directly to your
Oh,
home.
really? Okay, uncle. Puchi, the uncle who lived in foreign is coming. Really? It's a great news. When would they reach? He will arrive around afternoon. What can we make? Let's make some donuts.
Come back to motherland after so long.
I think uncle is here.
How are you, Tuchi Puchi?
Alhamdulillah, we are good.